Hi and welcome back to my channel, Advanced Virtual Assistants. Really pleased to have you here. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the most in-demand services for virtual assistants in the UK. So I'm excited to share this with you. Actual fact, it's probably across the board, but I'm specifically talking about the UK. So this might surprise you because I speak to so many people that are considering becoming a VA or in the early days of their VA business. And so many people think they haven't got enough skills to offer to even get started in their business. And you will be surprised to learn the most in-demand service is something that all of us can do straight away. Now, I'm not denying we can always improve on our service and how we do things, but you could offer this service straight away, and it's the most in-demand one. So what are you waiting for? So I want to just say that the problem I see with most clients, and I've spoken to hundreds of clients over the years. I do many discovery calls, even outside people wanting to work with me when I'm talking to people in the business. The same problem is over and over again. So many business owners, they get to the point where they've been doing it themselves for so long, they've got their business this far, it's succeeding, and as a result of the success, there's more and more demand on their time, things like creating more offers or being creative about where the business is going and having that time to take the business forward, actually delivering the service, making sure they're invoicing their clients, all of the things that we need to do to make sure that we've got a successful business. But they obviously need to focus on delivering the service or the product that people came to them in the first place. And this age-old problem is when that gets busier and busier, the thing that drops off is things like the admin, the general operations in the business. And typically I see inboxes with thousands of unread emails. I mean, that just gives me palpitations. I expect it probably does you too. So I think, when we get overwhelmed, we miss things in our inbox. We just don't have the time to read everything that comes in, and we just try to firefight with the things that are really important, or so it seems, based on the subject line, I guess. And I have had so many clients come to us and say, they've lost business as a result, or they're losing business consistently. I mean, this is like, you'd be surprised how many business owners lose business or leave money on the table, as they say, because they're just not getting to their inbox. They're just not going thoroughly through their inbox. Other things are like missed payments or missed events, or things they wanted to attend or they were invited to, or double booking. There's so many clashes that can happen when that inbox and that diary isn't managed properly. So the most in-demand service in the UK in 2025 is inbox management and diary management. And I know all of you can do that right now. You're doing it for yourself. As I said, there may be things that you can improve on and bring in good systems and setups and things like that to improve it, but you can absolutely do that right now. And it is by a long way the most in demand of the services that most virtual assistants are offering. So I think actually also it's been the most in demand service in the entire time I've been in this business, which is now 9 years, I think. So this isn't going away. It's an age-old problem. It's the first hurdle that business owners come across and decide to solve when things get too much, when the business starts to get successful. It's the thing that gets dropped, and it's the easiest thing to outsource. So it is, by a long way, the most in-demand service for 2025. So why is it important that it's done? Well, as I said, I know many clients I've spoken to that have lost money because they've just not followed up on business, or they've just haven't had time to respond to inquiries. I mean, you'd be surprised. It's shocking, really. So that's a huge driver for business owners to get this bit sorted out. In addition, it's really good customer service to make sure that responses are prompt and professional, and that emails aren't left hanging for weeks or days or whatever. By having somebody, a virtual assistant, come in and make sure that there is responses done in a timely manner, it shows that you're a professional outfit and you're taking your business seriously. So it's really important to offer this really good customer service. Also, some business owners like it because it makes them look like a bigger organization. They've got a team. Please contact my secretary to arrange a time for us to have a call, for example. It makes it sound like a bigger organization, more established. And so that sometimes reassures people that this is an established business and I'm happy to work with them. Things that's important to get right when you're doing this job is to get really clear about the tone of voice. So maybe straight away you wouldn't be necessarily responding to emails directly, but you'll soon get to learn how your client handles emails in the inbox, and you can learn their tone of voice and how they respond to certain things. And you can start to put systems and processes in place so that you've got that information should that inquiry come in again. So learn your client's tone of voice and automatic responses, or not that I want you to automate those, to make sure that you're delivering a good service. I'm so sorry. So there's nothing to stop you getting started in delivering the most important business need inside of client businesses today in 2025. If this has been helpful to you, please hit subscribe, invite your friends to come and follow us. We're going to be sharing lots of hints and tips here for you, so come and join us.